At Stamp Happy, we share our love for paper crafting while teaching fun projects and learning new techniques. Paper crafting is about bringing complementing elements together for a beautiful finish. It's also about bringing people together. When you take the time to make a card for someone, picking out the colors and the images that they would like, it's a great way to show that you care and to connect with them. When you participate in one of our events, whether in person or online, it's a great way to connect with a wonderful, supportive community, share your creations, and learn from others. When you join my team of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, you'll be able to combine your love of paper crafting with the business opportunity, as well as join a wonderful, supportive community. If you're interested in becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator yourself, find out more in the link.